Assalamu alaikum. Today we are talking about health and nutrition. First of all, we have to know about what is nutrition and what is health. Now, what is nutrition? The word nutrition is derived from the late Latin word nutri, which means to feed or to nourish, to suckle, etc., which in turn comes from the root nutrix, which means nurse. Processing of obtaining nutrients or food is called nutrition. Nutrients are the organic or inorganic substances which help in our survival and maintaining proper health. न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब क्या है? न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स टू नरिश, टू फीड, मीन्स कि जो हम खाते हैं, जिस फॉर्म में भी खाते हैं, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हम लेते हैं अपनी फूड से, उसे न्यूट्रिशन बोला जाता है। न्यूट्रिशन हमें नरिश करता है, हमें फीड करता है। ये लैटिन ज़ुबान का वर्ड है और अगर हम इसे डिफ़ाइन करें, प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स मीन्स कि ऐसा प्रोसेस जिससे हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूट्रिशन। Now definition of nutrition is, if we scientifically define it, a branch of science that study the process by which living organisms obtain their food and utilize them for maintenance of life is called nutrition. The process of obtaining nutrients from the food for growth, development and energy in the body is called nutrition. Now, what is malnutrition? Failure to obtain sufficient nutrients causes malnutrition. It is an imbalance between the body demand for nutrients and its available supply of nutrients. Malnutrition can result from an unsatisfactory diet or from a disorder that interferes with the body use of their food. अब malnutrition होता क्या है? Malnutrition means कि हमें nutrients proper नहीं मिल रहे हैं। ऐसे बहुत से एरियाज़ हैं, ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जिन्हें प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिल रही होती, जिन्हें प्रॉपर फ्रूट्स वो लोग नहीं खाते, न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रॉपर नहीं मिल रहे होते। मीन्स के डाइट में प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स जिन्हें नहीं मिलते, तो उनके अंदर जो डिजीज़ काज होती है, उस कंडीशन को हम लोग बोलते हैं माल न्यूट्रिशन। नाउ व्हाट इज़ फूड? इफ़ वी डिफाइन फूड, फूड इज़ एनी सब्सटेंस विच इज़ टेकन इनटू द बॉडी. It's have many functions. It perform lot of function in our body. We have defined 3 functions here. First function is build up the tissues and keep them in repair. Second is provide energy in the form of heat for warmth and strength for work. Third, protect the body from disease. These are the functions which perform if we take food. These functions are performed in our body. फूड होती क्या है? फूड एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है, खुराक। फूड बोलते हैं खुराक। खुराक क्या चीज़ है? खुराक जो हम लेते हैं, चाहे हम उसे मशरूब की फॉर्म में ले रहे हैं, चाहे हम उसे खाने की फॉर्म में ले रहे हैं, हर वो चीज़ जो हम लोग खा रहे हैं, उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फूड। फूड हम क्यों लेते हैं? इसलिए कि हमारी बॉडी, हमारे मसल्स बने, हम डिजीज़ से बचें, हमें डिजीज़ से बचाती है। फूड के अंदर होते हैं न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं डिजीज़ के अगेंस्ट, हमारी इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं। फूड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर डेली लाइफ. Now, for proper food, we have to take proper diet. How we define diet? Diet is what a person habitually eats and drink. There are many different types of diet, such as vegetarian diet, weight loss diet, and diet for people with certain health problems. Diet is composed from nutrients. Diet is something which is any type of diet which have you concern. In your choice, diet is your choice. You are vegetarian, you have vegetarian diet. You are if you are going for weight loss, then you have weight loss diet. You have keto diets. Number of diets are available. So diet is something we take nutrients in proper amount. That is known as diet. Habitually we eat and drink, that is diet. डाइट क्या होती है? डाइट की डिफरेंट किस्म के आजकल डाइट अवेलेबल हैं। कुछ वेजिटेरियन होते हैं, कुछ मीट लवर होते हैं। जिसको जो डाइट सूट करती है वो उस हिसाब से, जो शुगर वाले पेशेंट हैं उनकी अलग डाइट होती है, जो ओबेसिटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं वो थोड़ी वेट लॉस डाइट करते हैं। डाइट है एक्चुअली जो हम खा रहे हैं वो हमारी डाइट है। अगर हम बैलेंस डाइट खा रहे हैं तो हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी, और अगर हम अनबैलेंस डाइट ले रहे हैं तो हमारी हेल्थ अफेक्ट होगी डिजीज़ से। Now, what is nutrients? Nutrients are chemical compound in food that are used by the body to function properly and maintain health. For example, nutrients include protein, fats, carbohydrates, water, vitamins and minerals. Nutrients are either essential or non-essential nutrients. Now, what is essential nutrients? An essential nutrients is a nutrient that the body cannot synthesize by the body. and can be taken from food. These nutrients are necessary for the body to function properly. For example, carbohydrate, essential amino acid, essential fatty acid, vitamins, water soluble, fat soluble vitamins, some minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium, chlorine, magnesium, and water is also known as essential nutrients. Vitamins, water soluble are vitamin B and C are essential nutrients, and fat soluble A and D are fat soluble essential nutrients. Now, what is non-essential nutrients? Non-essential nutrients, those nutrients which cannot be synthesized by our body and don't need, which can be synthesized by the body and don't need from food. Means those nutrients which are synthesized in our body. For example, carbohydrates, certain form of lipids and amino acids are known as non-essential nutrients. Now, what is macronutrients? Macronutrients are composed of two words, macro and nutrients. Macro means in large scale, whereas nutrients are the chemical substances required by the body. Chemical substances required by our body in large quantities on a daily basis for the proper functioning of the body, that includes carbohydrates, protein, fats and water. Each of them provides energy in the form of calories. They have high molecular weight and required in gram amount. Cereals and legumes are the example of macronutrients. Now, micronutrients, micro means small. Micronutrients are the organic substances required by the body in small quantities as compared to macronutrients. These nutrients are smaller molecules having low molecular weight. These include vitamins and minerals. These contribute to body growth and disease prevention. Many vegetables, fruits, egg, leafy vegetables, green vegetables, fermented foods are rich in micronutrients. They have a proper function. Micronutrients as compared to macronutrients, they give preventions against disease and they help in body growth. This is the today lecture about health and nutrition. Hope you understand all the concept about health, diet, food, etc. And thank you.